In 1935, the Mercedes-Benz L 6500 heavy-duty truck was introduced. Originally designed for civilian use, it inevitably became a military vehicle and became one of the heavy transport vehicles of the German Army during World War II. The L 6500 heavy-duty truck is a handsome yet somewhat awkward-looking truck due to its excessively long engine compartment, which houses a 12.5 WWII inline six-cylinder diesel engine capable of producing 150 horsepower at low speeds, making it suitable for civilian transport. The version used by the military had an added throttle. The truck has two axles with dual rear wheels and a wheelbase of 5.1 meters, equipped with hydraulic drum brakes. The engine power is transmitted through a multi-plate dry clutch to the rear wheels for propulsion, with a steering system designed by ZF. At the time, the L 6500 heavy-duty truck was an excellent civilian vehicle, measuring 9.45 meters in length, 2.5 meters in width, and 2.42 meters in height, without the top, weighing around 6.65 tons, with a maximum payload of approximately 7 tons and a top speed of 75 kilometers per hour, consuming 38 liters per 100 kilometers. As a military transport vehicle, the driver's cabin had an open design for the German Army, while civilian versions had square and round options. However, in actual use, it seems that the German Army requisitioned many civilian models, and in terms of transportation capacity, there was actually no difference. During World War II, the German Army deployed many L 6500 trucks on the Eastern Front in Europe, mainly used for transporting or towing heavy items such as 105mm and 150mm howitzers. In areas with good road conditions, the truck showed good maneuverability, and its carrying capacity satisfied the German Army. However, the lack of a complete road system on the Eastern Front meant that the L 6500 trucks had to struggle in the mud, especially during the thawing of frozen soil in spring and rainy weather in autumn, causing them to lose their original transportation advantage. In use, the German Army generally used 3-axle trailers to increase transportation capacity, which was important for ensuring the supply of goods. Many trucks were also converted into fuel tankers for fuel supply. In the civilian sector, some were converted into buses, some were equipped with ladders and turned into fire trucks, and a portion were shortened versions of the trucks. The Mercedes-Benz L 6500 heavy-duty truck ceased production in 1940 and was replaced by the Mercedes-Benz L 6600 heavy-duty truck. Despite suffering significant losses on the Eastern Front, some of the vehicles were still in good condition when the German Army surrendered, and they participated in the post-war reconstruction of Germany.